Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a hairstyling video for you guys, and I'm going to be creating this hair look over here, which I'm very excited to show you guys because we're going to go from this to that, so we're doing quite a jump out here. And I'm going to be using the TYMO hair straightening comb, which I'm so excited to talk to you guys about. And this has been really kindly sponsored by TYMO, so thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. Mwah. Also, if you are new here, I'm just going to put it out here. All my views, everything I'm going to say in this video is genuinely my own. It's authentic, it's honest. You guys that watch my channel know this, I don't need to say it, but for anyone that is new, I'm just going to put that out there. So anyway, I'm going to be showing you guys how I create that hair look. It would be cool if I did one of those transitions, you know, the whole like, I'm going to show you how I go from this to this and then it like switches. Let me try it. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I go from this hair look to this look. Okay, I don't know if that transition worked, but hopefully it worked and you guys are gassed for me. Anyway, let's just, if it didn't work, we're just gonna move on. We're just gonna pretend like that didn't happen. Anyway, so here we go. Let's get started. Okay, so this is, I should probably turn it the right way around. This is the TYMO box that you get, and inside you've got the hair straightening comb. So it looks like, I want to show you from the side so you can see, this is where it kind of resembles like a comb, so your hair strands go in between. And over here on this side, you've got all the power controls, so you can turn it on and off. You've got 5 different heat settings as well, so you can sort of vary that depending on the thickness of your hair and how much heat your hair actually needs to straighten. So it goes up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, and it literally heats up in 60 seconds. It's really quick. So, okay, I'm going to show you what else you get in the box. So, you also get one of the heat protective gloves. This is going to come in so handy because do you know how long I've been looking for one of these? I've been meaning to get one for so long and I just haven't done it. It comes in this really cute little pouch as well, the actual hair tool, so you can keep it in that. You also get a couple of clips, which is going to help a lot when we're sectioning this madness of a bush out here. And you also get this really cute little detangling brush, which is also going to come in very handy with this hair situation. So, okay, let's get into it now. So I'm going to start by using the detangler. So I'm just going to brush through my hair. Let me get my mirror set up. Okay, I feel like I should probably take the hoops out. I feel like I'm about to fight, like telling someone to hold my hoops, but listen, when it comes to sorting this out, the hoops need to dip. I'm just going to brush through. Oh God, it's literally, do you see the frizziness? Do you see this? People ask me why I don't brush my hair. This is your answer. This is the reason. This is why I don't brush my hair. I actually feel like I'm really accurately demonstrating my star sign right now. I'm a Leo. Tell me this doesn't look like a mane. Yeah, definitely giving off Leo energy in more ways than one. Okay, now that we've got this situation, I am going to apply my heat protectant. So I'm just going to do that off camera, just going to spray it into my hair and then I will come back. Okay, so the heat protectant is in and it is nice and dry. You want to make sure before you use this product that your hair is completely dry because you don't want to damage your hair. So I use this on the level 4 setting. I don't really feel like I need to take it to the 5th one. So I'm just going to wait for it to heat up and then we can have a little go. So while that is heating up, you want to section your hair. So you want to do this in really, really thin strands to make it as thorough and effective as possible. So I'm just going to section a little bit of my hair to start with. Just give it another extra brush through. She really needs some love and attention. Okay, so it's ready. Now you can use it either this way or this way, depending on just like what you find easier. So I'm going to show you both. So you want to go at a steady pace from the root and you want to slowly bring it down. At just like a general kind of moderate speed. Oh my God, my hair is so long. I'm still going. Do you see that? Oh my days. Let me go from the underneath, yeah? Look how straight that's gone, guys. Oh my days. Do you actually see that? Like, it's so mad. Like, it's not just straight, but it's gone proper like silky. Let me zoom you in so you can see properly. Look at the comparison. Like, it's so mad. It's so soft and smooth. I'm going to start sectioning my hair properly now so that we can go through this. I'm going to split my hair into 2 halves. Guys, I feel like I'm from Star Wars. Princess Leia vibes, just saying. So I prefer using this to my straighteners because I've noticed that my hair's been breaking lately. So I've been trying to be like a lot more careful with how I'm sort of treating my hair, what I'm using on it, how often I'm using stuff on it, and just trying to just sort of give it more attention because I never really have treated my hair how I should, and I feel like now I'm starting to like notice it. So something that really like made me gravitate towards this over a straightener is that it actually reduces breakages in your hair, which is like the number one thing that I am worried and stressed about at the moment. So I was like, listen, I don't know how or when I would ever go back to using like a normal straightener now because I just don't feel like there's a need. Like, look how quick that is. Like, are you mad? I was a lion 2 seconds ago. You never have to go over bits. I feel like when I use a straightener, I'm always like going over it, and that's not good for your hair because you're literally like putting more heat than you need to over one area. Guys, this is crazy. Look at that, man. Do you see this? Do you see this? It literally looks like I've put some kind of oil or something in it because it looks so silky compared to this side. But I actually haven't put... There's literally no product in this at all. Okay, so that is the whole head done. Okay, so now once your hair is all nice and sleek and straight all the way through, you want to grab like some kind of thick hair tie. I get these ones from H&M. I literally love them. They are all I use in my hair because they're thick, they're sturdy, they keep like my pony or whatever exactly where I want it to stay. So what you want to do is sort of part your hair so that you're just taking the top section of hair. Now the next step is to sort out the edges and style the baby hairs. So I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to sort of brush down. It looks mad, I know. All my baby hairs, I'm trying to bring them down. So we kind of know what we're working with. And now what I use is aloe vera gel. So there's so many different things you can use for this. I like to use aloe vera gel because it's organic, it's natural. You guys know I react to everything under the sun, so I'm not trying to aggravate that anymore. Then I've got this brush, which really helps with just styling my edges when I use this side. But you don't need to have something special for it. You can literally use a cheap toothbrush, or you can use like a spoolie, like literally like an eyebrow spoolie. Like if you've got just a disposable one of them or a clean one that you don't use on your brows, you can literally just use that. It works just as good. So I'm going to take some out and put it on the back of my hand. So I want to make sure I've got a nice generous amount. Oh my God, I'm dropping everything. So you want to coat all of the hairs in enough. You want to go downwards and then use your finger to hold it and then curl it up when you want to curl it up. That's basically the technique. So it's like down and then hold it and then curl it round. And then it kind of creates the swirl. So then there'll be like a couple of strays that you need to sort of move in place. But you want to use your fingers to help you to kind of pivot the brush. You want to make them all go downwards together first. Make sure you've got enough. So it's downwards, hold it, and then flick it up. Like that. And then I kind of keep the middle until the end. And then I go round, and you want to do the same thing on the other side. So make sure you've got enough on the brush. And then you can just sort of slick it back with the rest of your hairs, which you can sort of sort out afterwards. Downwards to start. Use your finger. And then curl it round. Use your finger to hold it so it doesn't disturb the swirl you've already kind of done. And then you can just brush up. I don't like to do one too crazy big in the center.
but you just want to do the same thing, hold it down and flick it. It can be kind of tricky when your hair is thick, so you might have to sort of go over it a few times. I feel like the middle is always the most annoying bit for me. And then I like to take a little bit more and just slick back this part just to make sure it's all neat. Then I just tuck these bits behind my ears and look how cute she is. I love how neat and like sleek it looks, do you know what I mean? Okay, now I need to put in my hoops because it needs to complete the look. Okay, and this is the final look, guys. Let me zoom you in a little bit so you can see. So TYMO do actually have a Valentine's Day promotion at the moment, and it has already started. I will keep all of the links to everything in the description, but you can either go to the TYMO official website or you can go on the US Amazon website, and you can find it all there and you'll be able to get more information. I do also have a discount code for you guys. You guys know I had to come through. I needed to come through. So I have got 25% off for you guys if you use the code Devona25. You're welcome. Do you see the sleekness? Is that even a word? Sleekness. Sleekness. Do you see the sleekness? You would never think I have a degree in English. Do you see the sleekness? Do you see how sleek it is? So I'm going to leave all the information in the description if you guys want to go and check it out. But that is the end of this video and the end of this look. If you want to see more hair tutorials, then make sure you let me know. We had so many requests for this look because I know that I do tend to sort of wear this a lot, but I'll just switch it up with little details here and there. So I really hope that you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like and comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Stay positive, stay smiling, stay safe. I love you and I will see you next time. Mwah. Bye guys.